Living a magical life isn't about being perfect or wearing a witch hat 24/7. It's about gentle practices that help you feel more connected to yourself, to the universe, and frankly, the everyday magic that's all around you in the natural world. Today, I'm sharing 5 simple do's and don'ts to help you walk your magical path with grace and ease. You know, when I first started exploring magic, I thought I had to do everything, be everything, own everything all at once, right? Like I couldn't take the first step without having all the tools, all the things, know all the things, be all the things. Luckily, I stopped myself and realized that magic wasn't in the owning and constantly learning. Magic was in the everyday moments, the small intentional seconds that we have during the day. It's the intentional moments that connected me more to myself and made me realize that I didn't have to have all the things to be and to live more magically. Hi, I'm Amy, the Creative Crone. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 gentle do's and don'ts that will help you live more magically too, without pressure or perfectionism. If that sounds good, stick around. 1, do practice presence. Don't rush rituals. So the magic is in this moment and this moment and this moment. Not in how fancy a spell is, or that you, oh gosh, you forgot that it was the new moon and now you have to rush and create some kind of ritual and you better do it right. Just be in the present moment. Sip your tea or coffee. Light a candle with love. Maybe you make a little magical spoon for yourself or buy one and you stir your coffee and you whisper your intention for the day over it. That is being in the present moment. Let your daily life be the spell, be the magic. 2, do use what you have. Don't buy everything all at once like I thought I had to. Luckily didn't. I have a lot now though, but we'll get into that at a different time. You don't need a full apothecary. I know you have a spice cabinet. I know you do, or a spice drawer, or a spice rack. You have Italian seasoning. That stuff can be used for a lot of different things. Even just smelling it, that can be your spell. You don't need to go out and buy all the herbs, all the oils, all the crystals, all the tarot cards. You own things already. Or you can make things, or you can go on a walk and pick up a pine cone. Do you know how magical a pine cone is? It's magical. Trust me on this one. 3, do trust your intuition. Don't follow trends blindly. If it feels magical to you, then it is. That's the way it is. I think so often, again, we tamp down our instincts, and I'm not sure if it's probably a lot of different things. Probably easier not to have instincts in a way. I just want to drown it out, right? Something telling me or pushing me to go in a certain direction or do a certain thing. Let me just watch this video. Let me just watch this TV show. Let me just scroll through Instagram. But once you start connecting to yourself, to your inner self, to your inner knowing, you can start moving forward with this and understand what is right for you. And it's one of those things where just because it's popular or on TikTok or all these people are following this person, it doesn't make it right for you. I'm not saying it's wrong. I'm saying it doesn't make it right for you. It's your path, not social media's. All right, number 4, this kind of follows along with it. Make magic your own. Don't wait for the perfect time or the perfect thing in order to be magical or do magic things. So once again, if you make it your own, if you follow your intuition, you get to create your own path. If you want to sing your spells or skip outside barefoot and whisper to the trees, you get to. You get to decide that. You don't have to study hours and hours to create a perfect spell because, first of all, perfection is a myth, right? You're never going to reach it. So you're always going to fall short and you're going to feel as if you failed. And believe me, with magic or witchcraft, there might be times when you fail, but you don't want to feel as if you failed continuously. So put perfection aside. Once again, magic is in the presence. It's in the present moment. It's not in pursuit of perfection. All right, last one, number 5. Honor your energy and don't force it when you're drained. Sometimes, no, not sometimes, all the time, we as a society have a tendency to put rest at the bottom of our to-do list. Actually, it's not even on our to-do list, right? It's fallen off our to-do list completely. We don't think of it as something that should be accomplished. Unless, I suppose, maybe if you were just a continual insomniac, then maybe rest would be on your to-do list. I don't mean to make light of that. It's a terrible thing. But I do want you to understand that some days you rest, some days you're tired. And even if it's the new moon or the full moon and you're tired, guess what? You don't have to force it. You don't have to, oh, better hustle, better get out there, better make this spell, this ritual, gotta be magic. No, you don't have to hustle. Magic flows, you're gonna get tired of hearing this. Magic flows from ease, from the present moment, not from stress, not from hustle, all right? So keep that in mind. You can start living magically right now. All you have to do is choose presence, honor your energy, and meet magic where it is in your everyday world. And I'd love to hear what, if anything, in this video inspired you today, or what your first steps might be or were. Also, if you like this video, if it is inspiring, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more magic because I'll have plenty more to share with you. All right, see you next time.